Alexa, play The First Cut is the Deepest by Sheryl Crow. Look who it is, guys. How to ruin your perfectly brand new, good looking Supra. First cut is the deepest. He's here. Yo, what up? Hey, go on, chill. Come here. Oh, so sorry. Who's that? Come on. That's your friend. Simon, what up, bro?
That was bad. I was like, I got the cab loops and then it was like, the car started overheating. I was like, uh-oh. I didn't want to take it further.
Yeah.
And I was borrowing my friend's car because all my cars went...
the silver Subi. Yeah.
So
God damn, man.
Turned back around and then took my girlfriend's car.
Oh, I was wondering whose that is. What do you have in there anyway?
Go-to suspension kit.
Oh yeah. Oh, I thought you ordered that here.
Because I actually want to go down to the States sooner than later.
Yeah.
So I wanted the shot as soon as possible.
Yeah, I think it's like a mandatory thing.
Yeah.
Okay, well, dude, you need to relax a little bit. Hello, got one for the vlog, homie. Well, you want to see it? You want to see it, kid? Hello, hello.
Tony.
Yo, this is my friend Simon.
Oh, Simon.
That's all good, man.
Because I was expecting.
All right. Day two. Well, I was gonna say day 2, but technically it's day 2. So right now we got Simon with his third eye, helping fit it, give himself a better idea of what's the next step. What you got in here?
Tools.
Mining. Gucci's airbags. Damn. Actually, it is about time. That kid's been rubbing ever since he wide-bodied his car. All throughout the Cali trip. Like, I don't know how that kid does it. That was your recommendation for fitment, dude.
Yeah, well, I didn't think he was gonna just keep it in springs, you know.
He's just following our orders. Oh, so fast. Go for the rip. Oh yeah, here's the Clayco clips. I don't have the Clayco tool. So useless.
Supra always looks like it's like got such a long.
Yeah. Woo! You have air miles? That is so weird, man. Ryan, what up?
What's up, bro?
Long time. Oh, thanks.
Damn.
What's up, guys?
Those wheels are so nice.
Appreciate
So
it.
did you just sell it to your friend right there? Or?
Yeah, he's taking it for a test
Hey
drive.
man, good to see you. Welcome back to Calgary. Yeah. What do you think of the Supra?
Couple days.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what's going on with the wide body?
I think so. We'll see.
I think I saw you.
Driven prep.
Dude, that's good.
Driven preps.
10 days.
That's
the
all.
Supra, the wide body Supra in Edmonton. Songbao?
Yeah, in Mercari Auto.
Oh my god.
It's like the first Pandem in Alberta.
Yeah.
But that kit's already like freaking sweet, man. Yeah, it makes it so nice.
What kit do you have?
Simple Street Hunter.
Street Hunter? Okay. This is good. It's
It's okay.
Still a good kit.
And then yeah, we're gonna check over, see what the guys at Infamous are doing.
Yeah,
Well,
crazy Supras coming out.
yeah, no, I'm excited.
Man, I'm jealous. Great.
Hey man, you got your wide body
Dude, I
art
feel
state
like-
come in?
I feel like the
Come along.
Supra.
10 days? Well, that's a lot of time, man.
It's crazy. I feel like the FRS when it first came out, everyone started wide bodying it.
Yeah.
Now everybody's wide bodying Supras. And you happen to have both.
It's the thing. I guess so.
There's no use praying hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know again. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night.
She just decided to come back home And we'll start the project tomorrow, but I got some more stuff to do. Computer stuff mainly. It's the back end work that you guys don't see. Or I don't like to include it on my vlogs on a regular just because it's just behind the scenes stuff, you know? It's boring, like packaging orders and drawing. I mean, the drawing is sometimes interesting. That's why I like to document my art stuff, but who knows? Maybe you guys do find it interesting. Let me know. Maybe it is interesting for some of you guys. Anyways, I just heard the door. Ooh. I have a feeling I know what this is. And actually, this is perfect timing. Let's see here. Clayco pliers. Luckily, I had one of these that I brought from the shop. I ordered these last week from Amazon Prime. Came just in time because we're gonna need these. Well, they're not necessary, but they're gonna make installing the kit a little bit easier for us. And I'm sure many of you guys have seen a lot of the people who install wide body kits use this. These are called Clayco clips, and these are Clayco pliers. And basically what it does is it holds your kit in place. Actually, my friend told me in aviation, they also use these to secure metal plates onto airplanes. I'm sure it's multifunctional, multi-purpose. But yeah, without these pliers, it's really hard for you to press it in yourself. Unless you have like insane amount of thumb power. Not worth it. Okay. Yeah, let's do some work.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. It's hard to say all the things I won't do, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I won't do.
Gosh. Wait, first of all, yeah, we gotta figure out if these Clayco clips even... Do they? Okay, sweet.
I tested it on a piece of
How big does the hole have to be?
That's nice.
Nice, okay.
So this works.
What time is it?
Drill it in time.
Well, it comes so naturally to him.
We're just practicing this part, right?
God damn. Oh.
Hey, I gotta ask you this. You wanna back out before we start the hole? I asked this to everybody after.
What?
People have cried along the process.
There is no going back, Simon. You're here for a reason. What kind of questions that?
I think you need to send it. I thought I was here to get the Calgary bonus and bring it back to Vancouver. Okay.
It's showtime.
It's the start of a new day. Feel fresher than toothpaste. Singing out, this be the new thing.
So we FaceTime Luke from Eliminate, got some of his help since he's pretty much the one who put the Eliminate Street Hunter Supra together. It just makes it easier for us to actually see where we can start.
I'll hang off the tip of my shoestring, stay untied as usual. I'm not put together, do better than you do. That's magic, I'm voodoo. You a doll playing dresser, but your getup is poo-poo. Okay, I'll fast it. That's true for you too.
Is it the same for this part, or do you go a bit further in?
Where? On the back?
Yeah, on the back fender. Back of the front fender.
On the back?
Whoa.
I'm smelling those VSKFs right now.
Yeah, all the brake dust. See, I think I just followed kind of like it's a big circle.
Yeah.
It's not like, different, it's like one consistent arch the whole way around.
Wow, he cut that entire
Yep.
thing.
I saw in TJ's video he cut the bolt off down here on the front fender.
Yeah, I went to literally where that, like where the body line is up into the indicator area where you saw.
Oh! What the hell, dude? These things came just in time.
You know what else came? The Street Hunter kit.
Yay! Oh no.
It's the menace to society. What up, son?
What up, what up? Wow, that's it. Let's leave it at that.
That's enough for today.
Hey, it's not pretty.
How to ruin your perfectly brand new, good-looking Supra. The first cut is the deepest by Sheryl Crow. In shot. Look who it is, guys. We need his assistance. Oh hell yeah, man.
I love having cutting cars, you know what I'm saying? Uh-oh, what is it?
Ooh.
Okay.
Soon, soon.
That's okay, I drove it already, it kind of jank.
That's actually pretty good, man. Camera can't pick it up.
Ooh, that was dangerous.
Oh, that's it.
Fidget spinners for adults.
Pretty much. Level 10 fidget spinner. Whoa!
I don't know what else to do. I think I've done all my tricks.
Any status update? Check. Simon's got one side kitted. Whee! How's the fitment?
Fitment's pretty spot on most places. Supra's got its own special design in the front, makes it a little harder, but all in all, it's not bad.
So far, so good.
Pretty well made kit. Good job, Street Hunter, Street Fighter LA.
No, it's looking good, man. You did good. Good job, Simon. Thank you. So we haven't actually cut yet in the front fenders, but back here you can see Simon already started just so he can at least put this rear apron piece into place. As per Luke's suggestion, basically just go along the contour line that's already on the Supra. And it looks like that's what you're supposed to do in the front there too. But yeah, damn man. Subway, you make good cookies.
Party hug and turn on a Thursday. And like we got it all, why we act in the first place. You raised by a screen that shit get up in your nerve ends. You Looney Tune babies better know that you perfect. Nobody can tell you one thing. Get your crazy, throw it all on the surface. Make yo something from nothing, take a shot at your purpose. Post a talk from a man who probably needs his own service. Cause he's scared to death of how everyone think. Probably changed the whole
Just mocked this rear fender piece up, the passenger side with the gas lid. And looking at it now, before paint, we may have to fiberglass this up because there is just a tiny bit of a gap. And actually, Simon talked to the Eliminate fellas, and they said actually they couldn't avoid this. They had the same thing. So, but other than that, Beamer guys. Street Hunter, first one in Alberta, officially kitted. Yay! One hand clap. Yay!
Hold your scissors and your cuts.
All thanks to Simone. Look at that.
Birdy, man, you make it happen.
This is it's Birdy, second coming.
Eyeball this? Yeah, he pretty much do it, and then let the lanyard in place. Yeah. And then you just put the clips in, and I was just like, jeez. Yeah. It took like 20 minutes, man.
You're like under rating your skills, man.
Cool, man. Yeah, Simon, thank you. Thank you.
Now you gotta make sure that Josh paints it correctly.
Yeah, exactly. I trust his skills. Huh? All of it? Maybe that's an option, but then that means I'd have to take off all the PPF. That's a chore. But no, I definitely want to see what this looks like all downshift blue, all one color. And I might actually take the wrap off the hood first too. That would look sick. So I guess that's it for today. Good day's work, lots of progress, all thanks to Simon. Tomorrow we're gonna come back. Simon's gonna finish everything up, cut the rest of the body, finesse the underparts, and possibly, well, we have to. We're definitely gonna bring the kit as soon as it's finished to my friend Josh at Assured Auto Body and get this painted ASAP. It's gonna be the same downshift blue because I want to see it all one color. Man, that snapping is ridiculous. Look at this. It's like every 5 seconds. Jeez. So we'll see you guys back here tomorrow.